How to build wedding website step by step. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build our own wedding website. Nothing hard, so let's get started. I want to announce you to Squarespace. This platform provides us the opportunity to interact with templates to create our own website just in a few steps. So we need to open squarespace.com and then click on get started in the right top corner. Nothing hard. If you're new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. You can easily continue with your Gmail, or you can create a separate account for Squarespace only. We can easily launch it and then just simply start getting some visitors, some viewers on our website. So in a few steps after registration, you'll come to this page where we need to find the necessary topic, which is called weddings, as you can see. So we need to select it, and after that we'll be able to find a lot of different templates for this theme. And in my case, in my opinion, I think that this one is pretty cool to announce our wedding or do some other stuff. So let's click on the preview to see how will it look like as for us. As you can see, pretty cool, small information and how to come to wedding party like this. So we can click on start with this design in the right top corner, and after that in a few seconds our website is automatically created, so we can interact with it. We need to set up our site title. Let it be like wed party. Continue, and now we are ready to start customizing. So yeah, we have a template, but in order to make it personal, we need to change all the stuff right up here, to change all the photos, information, text, and yeah. So firstly, I recommend you to click on website in the left side menu and then just simply delete the unnecessary pages. So here we have pages, our story, travel and stay, and registry. So if you don't want them to stay on your website, you can easily click on this icon, click on confirm, and then just simply delete the unnecessary parts. For example, I would like to only have the main page where I would like to announce the wedding party. So yeah, it looks like this. And now we are ready to click on go home. Yeah, so we can start with customization our template. And firstly, I recommend you to customize the general parts such as colors and also fonts pack. So we can click on this icon in the right top with brush, and we can then select the fonts pack, color palette, and animations on the whole website. So let's click on fonts and then click on switch. So here we can find something suitable as for us. In my case, I always use this font pack, as for me it's pretty cool. It looks really good and modern, and I would like to change the color palette also. So I'm going to go to colors, edit palette, and here we need to find something suitable as for us. I'm going to use this color palette right here. And one more thing, we can change animation. So I would like to change it to fade animation, and now it looks like this. Then people will come to our website, they will see this smooth animation as for text appearing and also for button animation. Yeah, we can click on save now, and we can click on exit. So we are ready to interact with content itself, and in order to interact we need to click on edit, and we'll open our editor for our website. So firstly, I recommend you to edit your header. Let's click on edit header. We can change the site title here. So for example, we can write the same, wed party. So let it be like this. And now we are ready to interact with our background and do some other stuff. So we can hover on the necessary section and then click on edit section. Here we can change the background. As you can see, I have this image here, but we can replace, edit, and do some other stuff. If you click on replace, we can upload file, select from library. So if you have your own files, I suggest you, of course, to replace it by simply uploading your own file. You can also change it to overlay opacity, stuff, format, and colors. And the same thing you need to know is that you can delete the unnecessary sections. For example, let's try to delete this stuff here. We just simply need to click on remove and remove, and this section will be automatically deleted as for us. Sometimes it could be really helpful. We can also add different sections. We can click on add a section, add intro, contact area, about, people, products, services, portfolios. Let's say we'd like to add a people area, for example, to announce our parents or something like this. So we can move it up, and then just move it till the very end of the website. Yeah, now we can edit content. Let's click on edit content, and here we can click on every single person and then just change their photo, change their title, change description. Sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to announce someone to your guests. And as you can see, we have sections, and every section contains from different objects. So we have this photo here, this huge text, and this block of information. And in order to change something, we just simply need to click on it, click on this pen icon, edit. Here we can upload our own photo. We can link it to maybe our Google Drive. We can add it alt text, and the same stuff we can do with our text. We can click on edit, change something inside. We can change color, make it bold, italic, change the alignment, and so on. So yeah, as you can see, nothing hard. All the steps are quite simple, and in order to change something, you just simply need to hover, click, and do some actions. If you want to see some in-depth tutorials, maybe you want to customize it in a huge way, I suggest you to see my other tutorials. You can find them a little bit later at the end of this video. So we are ready to click on save, and in order to launch our website, first we have a free trial, but if you want it to stay for a longer time, I suggest you to upgrade it to the another plan. So the most suitable, as for me, for wedding party, for your wedding website, is personal. Of course, comparing to business, basic commerce, or advanced commerce, we don't have that much features, but it's enough to launch our website and to at least make it visible for other people on the platform, on the internet. And according to our CEO, we even can promote it on the browser search results. But I think that the best way is to share the link. So if you click on it in the left top corner on the icon with Squarespace, we'll come to our account dashboard, where we can find our website. We can easily find the link, we can share it, and do some other stuff. When you don't need this website anymore, you can click on more, click on delete, and then just simply delete the website. So yeah, this is a way of how to create wedding website. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.